Hey guys, for this video, we are going to check out the Slush Paper BS chassis. So let's take a look what's inside the box and let's get into it. Alright, so let's check out what's inside the box. Let's open it. Now let's first talk about this one. Now this is the decal. It's made from ABS material. It's a color black. Now this pack also includes the motor catch, the switch cover, the battery cover, what else? The lock, okay, and then some wheel bearing, okay. And then let's move on. Let's talk about the tires. Now this is a large size tires. This is a slick one. This is not a super hard. And then let's talk about the rims. Also a large size, but this one is a narrow wide. Okay, so next let's talk about the chassis. Now this is a BS chassis. It also includes the rear portion. There you go. Also made from ABS material, and it's color black. Okay. Now this pack includes the stock motor, the propeller shaft, and for the gear, this is the color red, which is the 4:2 gear ratio. Okay, and then it also comes with the 30mm roller with the rubber O-ring here. Okay, we also have Tamiya grease, some pinion gear. We have the screw nuts. We also have the battery terminal, and there you have it. So next, this is the manual, of course. And then last but not the least, the decals to make your car look awesome.
Now this kit is available at the Autic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City. Visit us and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track the out changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.